All right. This is a 2006 330i. Today we're going to replace the crankshaft sensor. Most people would do it from above and remove the intake manifold, the starter, and other things, but that'll take several hours and completely unnecessary. We're going to get it up in the air and we're going to go from underneath. If you don't have a lift, you could certainly do it with a ramp or jack stands. So the crankshaft position sensor will give you all sorts of issues. Occasionally have a check engine light for it. Right now I'm having intermittent issues. Occasionally I'll have a long crank.
I always have a long crank.
Additionally, it's causing issues with the traction control. It's disabling that. The acceleration is really poor and gas mileage is really poor. So all the common symptoms you would have with crankshaft position sensor, I guess. Pretty embarrassed by how dirty this engine bay is. Pretty terrible. It's a good car, but nothing but problems. Quiet on set. The sensor's gonna be right here. It's the oil pan. It's gonna be right above on the driver's side. Kind of reach your arm up in there. You'll notice it's pretty oily and gross down here, but that's because of various oil leaks that we'll get to someday.
That's the dumbest place in the world to put it.
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Hot. There it is. That's it there. See the wire running to it. It's the smallest wire back there. I highly suggest getting one of these, selfie stick mirrors. This is what you're going to need. I suggest you connect the socket first and then put the ratchet on it. Alright, I think we got it. Why would they put it in such a hard place? 1/4 turn at a time. Thread this baby out. Oh yeah. So once you get it a thread or two out, this baby's just going to turn by hand. And there is the bolt. Boom. And the cord's not long enough to bring it down, but it's out. And there it is. It's the old one and the new one. $70. Yeah, do you have a headband flashlight? Do you ever use those?
I've heard they're pretty decent, but no, I don't really have one.
We put the sensor back onto the wire, and now we're just gonna plop it back in the hole just by hand, feel around and hope for the best. And I think that's it. So we put the sensor in, and we'll put the bolt in. Alright, boom.
This repair episode is brought to you by Mothers. There's no shine like Mothers. Today we're using Mother's Billet aluminum polish on these Dole headlights. Just gonna rub it on. This product is obviously not sold as a headlight. It's a lot cheaper to buy it than those kits that are like $12. And there's your buffing pad, clean, which you haven't used on anything else before. Harbor Freight. What you're doing is you're taking the top layer of plastic off. You're basically sanding it down. None of these products are being used as they're intended.
Das ist gut.